You work hard for your money, right? I'm going to tell you a secret about how your money can work hard for you. We are a community of people who are building a bank alternative based here in Switzerland. We offer the four main functions of a bank: accounts, savings, investments, and borrowings. With us, you have a bank account in 25 currencies, an IBAN number, and a debit card. You can make payments globally or exchange currencies at the cheapest rates around. But what makes us really special is that we are built on blockchain technology that allows us to cut out the middleman so you earn more. For example, we offer 6% on our savings accounts. We also enable our users to become owners in the business. It's going to be a revolution. We are going to create a better banking model for a better world, or die trying. Join us, join a community of people who want their money to work harder for them.